Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anudeep Verma. In today's video, I'm gonna share you guys my travel experience from Albania to Macedonia and the border crossing between these two countries and the places to visit in Ohrid and the place I was staying in Ohrid and some beautiful locations which I captured in my drone. I'm gonna show you all that. So please watch the full video. So as we reach to the Albanian border side, basically the bus driver collects all the passports from the bus, and he goes to the immigration officer as you're still sitting in the bus, and the immigration officer just checks the passport and just enter that you're leaving the country. And we enter to Macedonia through the no man's land. And once we get to the Macedonian border, it was the same process again. You don't get out of the bus. It was all done by the driver. It was very easy immigration, like no questions asked, nothing. All you need is your visa, which is for Indian passport holders. You need to have a Macedonian tourist visa or Schengen visa or a US visa, so that lets you travel these countries, also Macedonia. And yeah, once we are done there, it was pretty fast. It was 10 minutes, I believe. And then we start heading towards Ohrid, which wasn't too far from the border. It just took like 30 minutes more from there.
So hot.
Very beautiful weather, but hot for this time of year.
Okay. How is it here in winters? How is it here in winters?
In winters have a snow, but no very in minus
Yeah.
Celsius.
Is it too touristy? A lot of tourists come out here?
Yeah, before New Year.
Oh, before
Then from 25 December
yeah.
and 20 January, and is full.
Nice.
1 month is full,
That's good.
but it's very beautiful in to New Year here.
the New Year, okay.
Very beautiful.
A lot of celebrations, party.
It's very.
Yeah.
So as soon as I reached to Ohrid bus station, I was trying to find my way to go to the accommodation I was gonna stay for the night. But then I realized it was 3 kilometers away from the bus station. So I was trying to get a cab, but then I saw these two lovely girls from France. They were trying to go to the same place as I was going, so we decided to share a cab. It costed us €3, so we should split it between us. And then as we reached towards the place, so the place where we were staying is called the Old Town. So the cab driver said he can't get us down all the way to the lake, so he stopped us like 7-8 minutes walking distance from where we are supposed to go. So we got down there and we walked towards our places, and it was so beautiful. Like the place was so quiet, and the architecture, the buildings were so good. I just loved it. And then yeah, so the place where I was staying, it's called By the Lake Apartments. So there are a lot of apartments and a lot of places to stay near this lake. So this is the name of the place where I was staying. I booked it through booking.com. It costed me £15 a night. It was very nice, very amazing. You will see the rest of the video, so you will understand how beautiful the place I was staying for that night. So I quickly took a shower, not to waste any more time. I just wanted to fly my drone, get some beautiful shots, and I want to show you guys how beautiful this place is and the sunset. Watch this. So, after getting some drone shots, I've decided to go and see the sunset from the St. John Church. So, there is this boardwalk next to my accommodation which will lead you towards the church. And this boardwalk is also called as the Bridge of Wishes.
I'm going to watch the sunset. I mean, it's almost sunset time, like you can see the horizon already. But yeah, so just walking on this path, it's really pretty. Look at the sky, like wow. Wow guys, this is really nice. Like, I'm blown away with the place. I should next time spend more days here, I guess. So making my way up to the church. So there's a small valley after the lake. You just have to climb a little distance, I guess. Yeah. I'm kind of late to the sunset, but it's still worth it. I was just flying my drone out the other side. Hey! Guys, you won't believe me. Look at this. So pretty. Like, I just can't go. Everyone left and the last one sitting here. This place is so beautiful. I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning again. Like, I can sit here the whole day. Like, look at this. Wow. Haven't seen a sunset like this. I don't even remember when was the last time. This is so beautiful.
Hi.
Are you guys from here?
Yes?
Oh,
Where
So
do you
beautiful.
come from?
I'm coming from London,
Ah,
but I'm
nice.
from India.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's
Nice.
very beautiful here.
First time here?
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
came today.
I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm already enjoying it.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I
Yeah,
don't-
the weather is really nice.
Yeah,
Those
exactly.
3 days.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So before that, was it cold?
Yes, yes, rainy, but
Oh, I was
one
lucky then.
week is, yes, you are lucky. Yes, enjoy your time here.
Thank you. Yeah. You too.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Take care. Это Лондон bio Hitchcock. А иначе оригинально в Индии. Вышел вот это неудобно.
Wow. Guys, you guys watching this? This is mind blowing. Look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? I have the whole place for myself. I can't believe this. Like, seriously. Wow. Hi. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock now. So I had a pizza in the evening. It was good. So I thought, but I'm really hungry. I didn't have anything since afternoon. So pizza was the last meal I had. So I'm just going for a quick walk for like an hour, and then I'll head back to the bed because I just want to get up early in the morning and just see sunrise and maybe go to the other locations because I have a bus to catch at 12 o'clock. Yeah. It's so quiet, guys. There's literally no one in the streets, like you can see. It's just 9 o'clock. Like, everything is empty, and I think most of the places are shut already. There's some few restaurants opened up, but the street looks really nice. Like, look at the lights, look at the design, so cute. Never seen any lights like that. But yeah, I'm just walking back to the same place. So I'll go to the high street, see if I can find something there to eat. Then, yeah, I'll go from there. I ordered some chicken steak with chips with mushroom sauce on it. Looks really nice. Yeah, this is one of most rated restaurants in Ohrid. It's called Leonardo Pizza since 1991. Really nice fancy place to eat, but not too many people as it's Monday.
If you have watched all this video, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And please subscribe. The next video is gonna be more beautiful than this one. I promise you that. I'll see you on the next one.